Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Okay, wait a second. Before you click off the video, this is going to turn into a landscape truck, so just bear with me a second. What we're looking at right now is the 2016 ISUZU NPR-HD. It's powered by the one and only 6.0 liter V8 Vortec GM gas engine with only, wait for it, 82,000 miles. Now we have a landscape body on order. It's going to arrive here pretty soon, and before you know it, it's going to look like this right here. What we're installing is a 20-foot landscape flatbed with dovetails, so that's 16 foot of flat surface plus 4 foot of your dovetail. It will include dual spring-loaded ramps, a blower basket, shovel racks, a water cooler rack, weed eater racks, and even hinge side rails so you can side load with a forklift if you're moving pallets of sod or fertilizer, anything like that. The cabin chassis is in very nice condition inside and out. It's been serviced, inspected with our road-ready service and inspection process, so it's going to be ready to hit the road as soon as we get that body on there. Let me ask you a question. Do you like this video? Is it helpful? Do you want to see more of them? Well, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit us up in the comments. Tell us what you think. We would love to hear from you. And moving away from the cab, we want to show you that 6.0 liter V8 Vortec gas engine right here. This is the only way to go. It's the most popular engine on the road today, and its reliability is unmatched. Keep in mind, we do offer extended warranties that have nationwide coverage. They'll take you out for another 3 years or 90,000 miles. Let me know if you need more info on that, and I'll be happy to send it over to you. Hey Jeff, how do I buy this truck? Well, we take cash payments and we have very competitive financing. If financing's the route you're looking to go, just down below there's a link. It's our commercial credit pre-check, and it's a soft pull, so it will not ding your credit. And to top it off, we have nationwide delivery available. We'll be happy to stick this sucker on a trailer and get it right to your front door. As always, my name's Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business. And for a little bonus material, here's my pig in the backyard trying to cool off on this hot July afternoon. Take care, and we'll see you again once this landscape flatbed is installed on this 2016 ISUZU.